let's talk about how you do this activity here, which is the microscopic features of leaves, and then following that, the calculation how many stomata are in a leaf, no, in yeah, in the area of a size of a quarter. So first, about the microscopic features of leaves. So what you're going to be looking at is you're going to look at stomata. And stomata are openings on the bottom of the a leaf that plants use for gas exchange. So the first thing, and one of the things that's beautiful about Zebrina is that Zebrina has a let me change the pointer. Zebrina, you can very easily see the stomata because they're this beautiful green color against a purple background. It's a beautiful, beautiful plant, and I really kind of sad that you guys don't get to see it under the microscope. Now you're looking at Zebrina at 10x at low power. And we've already talked earlier in the lab about how you measure the size of the low power field. And you already calculated it a couple of times because you already know that the radius of the field of view, the diameter is 2 millimeters and the radius is 1 millimeter. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to count the stomata. So just count the number of green dots in here and put that number in here. Then to calculate the area of the field of view, you're going to have to calculate the area of the circle, and we're giving you the formula right there. A equals pi r square. Remember that the radius is 1/2 of the diameter. So you measured this as 2 with the ruler, so radius is 1/2 of that. And then you multiply that r, that 1, you square it, and then multiply it by 3.14, and the result goes in here. Then you're going to calculate the area of a quarter, and you can potentially look it up. You can measure it if you're going to print out your lab handout because it's there to scale. You can just measure a quarter if you have one of those. But it also turns out that the internet knows what the diameter of a quarter is. Now remember that we're talking about diameter here, and so you still need to calculate the radius. So don't be multiplying the diameter, don't be squaring the diameter against each other. And then you take those numbers that you have here, here, and here, and you plug them in there. So stomata for field of view go down here in the top part. The area of the field of view goes down here, which is this part. Then x goes here, and the area of the quarter goes here. So let me do a... So what I want you to fill in down here, come on, let me do a pen. So here I want you to fill in the number, right? So the number from up here goes in there. The number from up here goes down in there. X goes here. And then the number goes in here. And again, because math is scary and, we need to be able to figure this out. So you've got the number of the, this number from in here goes in there. You calculate this in here. This is pi r squared, so you have to get r from the internet or by measuring it. Just multiply these things with each other and you get that area there. You're going to fill in the numbers down here, and then the way you're going to solve for x is x equals the stomata in the field of view times the area of the quarter divided by the area of the field of view. And that's where you're going to get this the number for this calculation. Now, fill all these things in your lab handout first, and then go to the quiz, because on the quiz, you're going to get, it's a multiple choice question. So you just, you can double check your answer by actually using the quiz. And I hope this was helpful.